To create a Credit Karma account, start by going to the Credit Karma website or downloading the Credit Karma mobile app from the App Store. Once you are on the website or have opened the app, click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Choose a strong and unique password to protect your account. You will also need to provide your date of birth and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number to verify your identity. Next, you will be asked to answer a series of security questions to help verify your identity and protect your account. These questions may include information about your credit history, loan payments, or other financial information. Answer these questions accurately and truthfully to ensure that your account is verified correctly. After completing the registration process, you will be asked to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Take a moment to review these documents to understand how Credit Karma uses your information and what you can expect from the service. Once you have agreed to the terms, your account will be created and you will be able to access your free credit report and score. You will also be able to monitor your credit and receive alerts and recommendations to help you improve your credit health. To get the most out of your Credit Karma account, make sure to regularly check your credit report and score, and take advantage of the free tools and resources available to help you manage your credit. By following these steps and using Credit Karma responsibly, you can take control of your credit and improve your financial health over time. It is also important to note that Credit Karma is a free service and does not require a credit card. To sign up, the service is supported by advertisements and partnerships with financial institutions, so you will not be charged any fees to use the service. Overall, creating a Credit Karma account is a simple and straightforward process that can provide you with valuable insights and tools to help you manage your credit and improve your financial health.